Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lena and today I have a big ol' spread of foods that I think will complement BLOVE'S sauce really well. I made a little bit too much, so I was like, okay, I need to kill it. And I just ordered the Popeyes. Originally that was my first idea, and then my parents actually cooked this up because they were at home all day from the lockdown. And I was like, okay, why not? I feel like it'll be perfect. So let's just dive in because I'm starving. So first off, I want to apologize for the humming that you're probably going to hear. I'm pretty sure it's pretty loud, and because I just got another fridge because we have a bunch of food like frozen meat stocked up for the 2-week or a month lockdown, whatever. So this is the only place where it could be at. So yeah, I hope it doesn't interfere with the sound too much. And yeah, so here I have, I believe my dad said it's bloody clams. I'm sorry if it's wrong, but that's what he said. So if it's not, correct me. And then crawfish and this small crab. I have not gotten sick of crabs yet. So, and then just the spicy chicken sandwich, which I'm excited to try with the sauce because I've seen so many mukbangers do it. And yeah, it's just fries and mashed potatoes. So I want to go in this first because I've never had this in my life. And I think the best way for me to eat it is just straight up dip it in here. I got some butter, so I know the sauce will be so much better because the last time I filmed, I didn't have butter inside, so it was really heavy and really salty. So, all right, I'll show you this first. Oh. I got napkins. For once, shout out to Popeyes for giving me napkins when I Postmate, because I primarily Postmate everything and they never give me napkins, so I forget. So my first take on that was it was extremely chewy, but the sauce is bomb. But I feel like maybe my parents overcooked this a little bit. This is what it looks like without the sauce up close. Oop, I am dripping. All right, I'm just gonna do that again. Fries are always good. I'm gonna try it with the sauce. Alright. I'm gonna take a bite of the sandwich first. This is like the main thing I really wanted to do. Let's see how much sauce they gave me. Yeah, they did not give me that much sauce last time, and that shit was dry. All right, going in. Ooh, that's a lot. All right, I don't know where to start. Oh my. All right. I gotta say, the sauce is overpowering the chicken sandwich a bit. I can't taste nothing, but it's really good. Eating a little messy today. I apologize. It's weird because I have napkins and I'm eating so much more messier than when I don't have napkins. I'm dropping things everywhere. All right, let's take a break. You know, I need my fries and my mashed potatoes. Popeye's mashed potatoes always hit the spot. Always. Let's get into this crawfish. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. So they are straight up cold right now. But hopefully when I put it in the sauce, dip it in the sauce, they'll get warm. Heck yes. This is how I eat crawfish, okay? So this one I'm planning to, like, I know what to do. I'm gonna let this head just sit in it. Oh! I do so much better with crawfish than I do with crabs. All right. Do you guys eat the rib, or is that rib? I have no idea what's in the head. But I eat everything. Oop, what was that? That's the one thing about eating crawfish heads. I never know what's in it. Sometimes I come across something that's just like, whoa. Get in there. Oh, so it is day 2. Is it day 2? No, it's actually the day 1 of lockdown in Orange County. It's not really like full-on lockdown because we're allowed to be outside. But my family's taking it pretty well. They're at home making all kinds of foods, and we stocked up pretty well for the next 2 weeks. But then we're ending up like ordering out like seafood and sushi and stuff. Ooh. Oh shit. Is it on my face? Mochi. He's a wild. Doggy. Calm down, please. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. I actually like the sandwich better when it's not drowned in the sauce. I was really trying to just use it all, but I don't think I will. All right, let's do the crab. So I've never opened up crab like this before, but my dad just taught me how. I kind of want to show you guys at the same time. So he says to prop this open. Okay. And then I forgot what else he said. I think. Ah! I'm scared to like break it, but that's what I'm trying to do. Alright. I have never eaten these crabs before. It reminds me of the raw Korean crabs. Those are so amazing. Like one of the best things I've ever had in my life. I'm not kidding. Okay. I don't know which parts to eat. Okay. It tastes like really fresh. Oh shit. I should have eaten rice with that. That would have been bomb. So, I guess, I don't know. Oh! I'm just eating it. No idea what I'm doing. What? Why am I so noob with crabs? Ooh. So one of the things I wanted to talk about that I forgot to actually talk about in my last video is my bungee jumping experience. I went bungee jumping last weekend. Yeah, last weekend. And it was incredible, you guys. I honestly don't have any friends that has ever bungee jumped, so I felt like I don't even know anybody that has done it before. So it was just awesome. There was a lot of work to get there. It was a 2-hour hike. And then there was about like 6 rivers, I would say 5. 5 rivers that we had to cross to get to the bridge itself. And it was hard. I am a hiker. I love hiking, but it was really cold. And then, yeah, it was cold. So walking through the water, like it was up to our like waist. And just hiking for hours wet. I was really scared I wouldn't be able to do it because I don't like being cold or wet, and I thought that I would be whining the whole time, but I didn't. Proud of myself. I think I just really wanted to jump. That was just like my goal. And I got 3 jumps. The first jump was like, after the first jump, I was like, I don't think I can do another one. Like, it's that terrifying. But I had to because I, you know, got it already. And yeah, it's honestly one of the most terrifying things I've done in my life so far. And I've like already skydived. So this is like so much more scary. It's just really awesome to say that I've done it though. I kind of live to do things to say I've done them. I don't want to go through life like not trying something, you know? So I push you guys to do it. But yeah, everyone I know that I showed my videos to, they're like, heck no. They would never. I wonder if it tastes good together. Oh! I stood for 12 hours out of 12 hours. But I'm not even standing right now. I'm only wearing my watch right now because I really want to get to my calorie goal of the day. Because the gyms are closed. So I just really need to be on top of my thing. Just sit there. Ooh, this one's like a jumbo crawfish. What is that? I have no idea. I forgot to put lime this whole time. There's barely any. Yummy. I miss the gym so much, guys. So much. And I'm afraid because I'm gonna up my posting, or like up my posting schedule. I'll be eating more, and it never worried me because I worked out so much that I'm like, okay, well, I'll just like turn into muscle. And now I'm just like, what am I gonna do? It's okay. It's a time to improvise and stay positive. I hope everyone's safe and with enough food. I'm like thinking about people who don't have enough food, and it's really breaking my heart. So yummy. I'm actually really glad I accepted the food from my parents. I was like, no, I'm already eating Popeyes. But this is perfect. I still have I have another bowl of BLOVE'S, and I have no idea what else to dip it with. Maybe you guys can help me out. I don't think there's anything else. Mm. This is the last one, right? Oh. This really hit the spot. I was kind of afraid I wouldn't finish this, but I think I will. Have a drink. I forgot about it. I got a strawberry. I got a strawberry Fanta. At first, I was like, why the heck did I choose to get that? I never drink that. But it's actually very good right now. This is probably my last bite of the sandwich. The sandwich. My hands are so dirty. Sorry. Just cleaning my fingers so I'm able to do my peace sign. I feel so like, I feel like I did not complete the video when I say peace, when I don't say peace. It's like a part of me. When people say hi to me, like on the street, and then we don't like fully have a conversation and they're like far away, I always just go. All right, this is clean enough. Mochi, please stop. Mochi? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this mashed potato. I will never leave mashed potato hanging. I'm gonna finish off the fries. I wish these were more crispy. Last fries. I went in on this meal, I have to say. If I would rate this meal out of 5, I would say it was actually a 4.5. And I do rate meals higher than, or I just rate everything high. Like even people, unless like I really dislike you. But yeah, to make it a 5, I wish that everything was a little bit more warm, like if I warmed everything up. But shoulda, coulda. Ew, that was gross. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.